Chapter 7.7 Siemens Gamma KNX Touch Control TC5 Solar Protection. We go back to parameter page 1. Now to icon 5. Rename it as blind M4. Function selection Venetian blind. This time set to default. This will be the right icon later. Proceeding to the objects, you see that there are on the one hand the old known 1-bit operating functions. On the other hand, the 8-bit control commands are required, this time combined with the respective status. That means that you have to link 2 group addresses per 8-bit object. Only if the status is entered after the operating address, the display can later also show the correct position of height and the slat angle. At this point, it is also necessary to show a little trick. The TC5 updates its pages after a download or a bus interruption by sending read requests for status objects to the bus. This is done for the blinds, however, with the operating address. To ensure that the correct status message is nevertheless returned, namely with the real status address of the actuator, the operating address must now be entered in the actuator as a listening address after the actual status address in the object. Now that we have also updated the actuator, we download both devices again and test the new function. Simply pressing the button takes you to the detail page for solar protection control. Please note, the 2 8-bit functions are only executed if the actuator has been calibrated beforehand, that is, travel time determination after application download by an unstopped travel command. And this 8-bit manual operation is also only active if no other priority settings override it. In our setting, the 8-bit operation is always active and has equal priority with the 1-bit operation.